welcome to another video. The Nippa's going to get fixed so that I can go and do stuff. This video is going to be more of a vlog on the go. So yeah, I need to put the seat belt bracket bit and the seat mount in there, and then I'm going to go across to Galashiels, get low RC. A friend of mine, Scott, he started up a wee RC track, he drift cars about. I've bought myself one of those little drift cars. It looked cool for about 10 minutes until I smashed it off everything in here. So I thought that'd be quite fun. We'll vlog that, but first of all, parcels. My favourite thing, receiving stuff. What are you wanting this? You open it for me. Got the dogs here to help. You want a shot, son? Okay. Do you want to deafen the listeners, or the viewer, or the observers? Okay, boys. You can have this when I'm done. Just wait a minute. So it's good. I get what's inside the package, and Maisie gets the package. So win-win for everybody, yeah? We're going to have a very happy dog. You want this? So I ordered a couple of banners for the back wall. I'm going to fill that all up eventually. These guys have some really cool stuff and some really cool cars. So that. Right there. Oh. And what's the other one? I can't remember. Oh, it's a certain S13. Nissan S13. Nah, I'm joking. It's an RX-7. It's cool. Pretty sick. They're going to fill that wall up nice. But no, if you haven't already, check out Reckless Tribe. They put some sick stuff up. And stickers as well. We're going to stick one of these in the back window as well, obviously. So, yeah. So I'm just going to time lapse for putting these banners up because it's a bit boring, nobody wants to see that. So that's banners up. They look pretty cool, like. If you have or know of any cool banners, hit me up in the comments and I'll probably buy them because I need to fill this whole wall. But yeah, ignore, they're all cool bar this one, just ignore that. Stance Royalty. It was a club I had back in like nearly 10 years ago. But I had the banner, so I chucked it up. Ricer's Paradise, sounds just like me. But yeah, sticker next. So now the exciting stuff's done, we get to the boring stuff. If you see my last video, you remember the rails bolt up perfect in 3 places, just short on that. So what I'm going to do is get a bit of cardboard, longer than this, measure it up, and then cut the metal. The other side will be just the same. I do need to get seatbelt mounts, which on the mirror they come out here, but I'm probably just going to do them off here as well. So I've literally just got a bit of cardboard, made a rough template. It's already got the holes in it, so I'm going to cheat. Pretty thick steel. It's thicker than the metal that's on the seat rails anyway, so can't really go wrong. I was trying so hard not to ruin my jacket there. So just going to drill holes in the end. What I've done is I've just obviously made a little bracket up and knocked through a bolt, if you can see, It's got the square end on it, I don't know what the technical term is, so hopefully... Hi dogs, he's helping. I'm going to set that underneath, like that, and bolt it on. He's helping, is he? Oi, did he be ignorant, you're on camera. Someone's camera shy. What about you, are you camera shy? Nah. So what I'm going to go and steal next is the seatbelt mount out the mirror that's out here. Well, there's a very sorry looking Supra. So, in here, oh I forgot I threw all the old seats in here. Yeah, so obviously the bolt up a wee bit different, but I reckon I could just steal that and bolt them onto there, I think. So that's a bracket in with a seat belt bit as well. If I really wanted to be picky I would cut that bolt down, but the main thing is it's solid, that's all I was bothered about. Just going to do the same on the other side. Guess who's a very big dum-dum? Probably should have checked this first. Did that fit? That's because you weren't observing me, Maisie. Hey son, you didn't help. Nah, I probably should have checked that first, but we'll just plug them in for the next drive. But yeah, other than that, I need to put air in the tyres. The tracking's out a fair bit, but we're just going to chance it. I've got my bag packed for the RC thing. Made a bunch of, I don't know what you would call it, railings or whatever, and going to give them some stickers. I've got some spare Night Ride ones, Reckless Tribe, Stand Trial, obviously some cheeky wee plugs as well. But no, that's us ready to go. I didn't trust myself, I decided to double check the wheels were tight. Okay, it's maiden voyage, it's first actual drive. Wish me luck. So other than being extremely bumpy because I cut the springs obviously, it actually drives really nice. It's got a lot longer gearing than I thought it would. I'm used to driving K cars where it's like you struggle to get set at 60 without revving it. We're sitting at 65 and we must have been, I'm not revving that much, it's still got another gear, this is only 4th. Obviously we're on a private road doing this, but no, it's actually not bad to drive. Tracking's not out as much as I thought it was either, so it's a plus side. Oh, that's a cool Datsun. I wonder who owns that. Must be a really cool dude. So that's the dogs dropped off, and off to the RC thing we go. Brum, 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 brum. Yes, power. Whoever bought this car new and spec'd it out has obviously got the most basic spec they could, because there isn't even a radio. Like, there's a hole for it, there's no speakers in the door, they've done 25,000 mile with no music. Well, I suppose it could have had headphones in, but there's a hole for the aerial and it's just got plastic like screw hound bolted over it. So yeah, I don't know if it's even worth putting a radio in. I mean, I'm not going to drag it that much. But 25,000 mile in dead silence. Well, I suppose you've got the lovely singing sound of a 3-cylinder 850cc Daihatsu, I guess, but but still. Yeah, we're nearly at Gala now, and I'm kind of quite excited. I'm probably going to embarrass myself because my RC drifting is just as bad as my real life drifting, so that should give you an idea. That's us here. I think it's down that road somewhere. Up the stairs. So that's me here. It's actually pretty trendy. I'll be honest, it's like a lot more advanced than I thought it would be. Big shout out to Hooji for that. He's even got the wee trees and everything. I'm going to end up ruining this fence and this side and stuff though, for sure. Like, obviously I brought my wooden stuff across, so I'm going to set it up in the corner so I can get some practice in before I end up causing damage, but it's pretty sick, like. There's a few of us here, it's a not bad turnout actually, but I guess I'll set that up and see how we get on. Do some good drifting, Robert. It's not even me. That's why he's not crashing, because it's not me.
I wonder why I never had any cut. There's a lot of
Took a little break. Robert's having great fun. You alright, pal? He's quite squashed in the back there, eh? Alex is enjoying the wee car as well. His knees are loving it too. We're just going to pop for a wee cheeky McDonald's. The car loves it. Basically the car's that fast that Robert's just fucking, he can't cope, he's away. He's had enough. Absolutely had enough. Look at him. Too fast for him, eh? Well, we're going to enjoy our McDonald's. Going to try and mount the GoPro on the top of the roof. Probably not going to work. I'm going to cut a hole, stick it on, and give you a point of view. Yeah, I think that would be quite cool actually. So that's me done. I've ruined the track a couple of times and everybody else had a lot of fun. It's been pretty trendy like. So tell us something. Anything.
We're here every Saturday, 2 till 8:30. We do have cars for people that want to use them if you're new to the hobby, I suppose. If anyone else wants to come along, bring your own cars. Ideally 1/10 scale for the track. Anyone has any ideas they want to build things for the track or add anything in, feel free to, I don't know, leave some comments on Chris's post.
So yeah, that's at Geek Retreat in Galashiels, so drop by if you're ever about then. And bye! And like and subscribe to the channel as well, thanks.